Challenge 4, Broker Alloyances. Let's take this baby out. First thing we'll do is we'll bring in a couple of Wastelanders. That will be a distraction. They will give bonus to the Crucibles. Put them on hold. Bring in 11 Crucibles. Spread them out a little bit, and let's take these guys out. Okay, retreat them. Because our goal is to get the least amount of damage possible. Now we'll come over here. So those guys will have more than likely instant repair. They'll all get a little bit of damage, but it'll be less than 5 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll bring these guys over here. Get them in position. Spread them out a little bit. There. Go get them. And follow up with the Wastelanders. And the Wastelanders give a boost to the Crucibles, and the Crucibles do better. So you can see, it doesn't take long. You empty these bases. That's it. It's just that easy. Now let's see how much damage we got. Take those guys home and repair them. It should be instant repair. Maybe a minute or two. That's it. Let's see what it says. Hurry up and wait. Okay, here we go. 23 minutes, which really isn't 23 minutes. Because we'll do instant repair. See how long it takes. It shouldn't take very long. $5.20. So as you can see, if you repair them individually, instant repair, no downtime. Let's see how the other tune did. Okay, 12 seconds. This guy is okay. This should also be instant repair. That one's completely repaired. Let's see how long this one takes. As you can see, if you're just careful, it doesn't take much time at all. 5:27. Just do it individually. Last 5. So far we've had instant repair. Well, we had 12 seconds on the one, which that's like a really long time, so I could see why you would be concerned. Instant repair. Last one. Instant repair. Okay, you saw what happens. So that's something else I'm repairing. Okay, go and do likewise.